Since producing its first lighter in 1973, Bic has sold and produced 30 billion pocket lighters. Every day, the company produces up to 6 billion pieces, making it the world's biggest manufacturer in branded pocket lighters. Bic highlights safety and quality in their lighters, from its basic concept to the production line.
Go!
Wow! The box is very amazing with white polka dots over sky blue wrapper, making it very enticing to buy. As we unravel the mysteries inside the box, you will see that it is very well packaged in an orange paper. Boom! Bic! At an affordable price of 25 pesos, you can have this enlightening product.
Wow, what a flame!
Hot!
For the first test, ergonomic test.
Lighters are made lightweight with a compact shape for easy use of the device. Manufacturers make sure that lighters fit perfectly in an average human hand to easily trigger the wheel, or for modern lighters, to press the pusher.
Flame test.
Lighters are specifically made to create flame. Upon triggering the wheel, the spark ignites the flammable gas, usually butane, causing the flame to come out of the lighter. The flame is sustained until the gas vent is closed by releasing the fork.
Drop test.
Let's see if the Bic lighter can survive 2 floors of freefall. Whee! Wow! It survived! So Bic amazing!
Water resistance test.
Water test will fail initially since the water blocks friction between the wheel and the fork. The lighter theoretically works after completely drying the device.
Flame height test.
This test shows that the lighter has a stable flame with a flame height of 1 inch.
The body is made of a technical resin called Delrin, one of the strongest plastics in the world. It is a polyacetal homopolymer with a high-tech crystalline structure very resistant to ruptures, impact, and high temperatures. This allows a lighter body with thin linings, increasing the number of lights by almost twice. These are formed using high-tech molds developed by Bic and have high stiffness, low friction, and excellent dimensional stability. The base seals in fuel supply and is made of polyacetal plastic. The ball seals in fuel after filling and is made of carbide steel. The hood is made of nickel-plated steel used for windshield and heat protection. The plating allows for wear and corrosion protection and low stress buildups for dimensional recovery. The flint is malleable and ductile and is a die-cast metal of ferrocerium. It is used to produce the sparks for igniting the fuel. Because of its low ignition temperature of 150 to 180 degrees Celsius, heat generated by friction is sufficient for its ignition. The spark wheel is a die-cast zinc alloy which is low cost and corrosion resistant. It is serrated and hardened, producing the friction needed by the flint in order for it to ignite. BIC uses a technique with casts having a precision of up to 100th of a millimeter and allows for complete absence of chips. The same die casting technique is used for the fork, which controls gas from the valve. This lifts the jet and allows fuel release. The plastic part is made of a polyacetal polymer. The jet is also made using the zinc alloy die casting and is the moving part of the valve which opens or closes fuel supply. The globe seal seals the valve in a closed position to shut off the gas and is made of a synthetic rubber. There are two springs in a BIC lighter. First, the fork spring returns the jet to its shut-off position. Next, the flint spring feeds the flint onto the spark wheel as the flint wears down. These are made of spring steel with medium carbon content, making it the toughest. The valve found inside the body is a pure electrolytic aluminum wire made through a cold stamping process. This allows for a complete absence of chips. Below this is the membrane which regulates fuel flow and is made of a microporous membrane. At the bottom is a disc which is made of aluminum and seals the membrane in the valve.
It is recommended to use an alternative material that has low thermal conductivity for the hood, since the metal hood conducts heat which warms up the handle, thus resulting in injuries.